Okay, next item, we'll open these packages for me from Automat Global. This is a cable for spark plug. Indonesia use it busi. I will always feel the cycles. Let's open this. This is an unboxing video to claim if something happen. But I hope everything okay, so it doesn't need to claim anything. Nothing here. Let's try in here. I found the way out. Not true. Must be thinking. Oh, in here maybe. Let's try. This. Good. This is it. The item is cable of spark plug Suzuki Jimny Katana SG 410 8mm HEC Japan. Should be the item is in here. This item. And the packages is okay. Plug cord set. To take it off. Yeah, empty. It's IC genuine quality spark plug cord set, high performance noise suppression resistant carbon cord made in Japan. Okay, this is IC. Okay. Have a resistance to protect AM or FM radio from interference of electric wave for its functional failure. Good. As we see inside that, it's original. There's a segel in here. There's a seal in here. Good. Open this. Voila. Got one set, I think. It's rather old. But the good things is what is inside is yellow. It's more conductivity high. Completed for with items, high performance resistant cord hard. It's IC Japan. Okay, well, it's good, just like he said. Let's see. Let's see for the live view. The description is just like that. The item is exactly same. Nice, thank you. This is it, the items. This consists of 4 spark plug. This is the head. This is get into the you can see this connector is very beautiful stones. It's the connector to the coil, engine coil, like the unboxing before. Thank you for watching.